Found New Dimensions Gold Collection cross stitch kits at Joann's, and I am absolutely giddy. This one is Woodland Magic, and I took pictures of the price tags, but of course these are Joann's, so we're going to be watching for 50% or 60% off coupons. This one is Rose Tea. These are all cross stitch. There is no needle point. There is no embellished cross stitch. This is Floral Crown Cat. And right next to it here, we have Rooster. I haven't seen New Dimensions Gold Collection kits in a long time, and I was starting to fear that they had stopped releasing them. This one is Sunflower Garden, and Gold Collection Petites are my absolute favorite. They are so much fun to stitch. And then this last one is Rose Cuttings. It is absolutely beautiful. I think I might love all of these, some a little more than others. Thanks for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle, and I'm glad I got to share these new kits with you.